Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to pick up furniture in Project Zomboid. To start, stand near the piece of furniture you want to pick up, and make sure it's empty if it's a container, like a dresser or fridge, because you can't pick it up if it has items inside. Next, look at the left side of your screen, and find the furniture interaction icon. It looks like a small drawer or cabinet. Click it and choose the pickup option. This puts you into furniture pickup mode. Move your mouse over the furniture you want to grab. You'll see a green highlight in a tooltip showing any required tools or skills. Some objects need a hammer, saw, or specific skill like carpentry to pick up without breaking. If the tooltip is green, left click to start picking it up. Your character will walk over and begin the pickup process. A progress bar shows how long it takes. Big items like beds may break into multiple parts you have to pick up individually, and heavy pieces can slow you down when carried. And that's how you pick up furniture in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.